So guys, how to add drop shadow in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have the output. We have our div with the class name xxx and inside the div we have our image. Now suppose we want to add drop shadow around this div or container. As our container class name is xxx, so inside the style section we will call for the xxx class. Inside we have the property width, height and the border. Now to add drop shadow, write box dash shadow clone. First parameter horizontal displacement, suppose 5 pixel. Then the vertical displacement 5 pixel. Shadow blur radius, suppose 7 pixel. Then we have the color RGBA. A for the alpha or transparency. Now first bracket, inside insert your RGB color. For black it's 000, then the alpha value. Suppose we want 70% transparency, for that 0.7. Close it, semicolon. Now save the document and reload. See, we have our drop shadow. The second one using the filter. For that, filter clone drop dash shadow. First bracket same, just copy these parameters, paste, close it, semicolon. Let's delete the previous one, save and reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.